motherfucking show! Musta naman po kayong lahat? At welcome to the show! This is Evil Man to the fucking show! Hello, kamusta kayo dyan? Hey, by the way, highway! Salamat pala dahil trending po ang sa stage OPM Rock Bands. So, salamat po sa lahat ng mga whatever ay nakikinig yan. And let's see, I'm just tagging the other people and my friends here. So ayun, just few people now. Just few people. I'm with my girlfriend. Don't know what hit me. Yes, I need boyfriend. Wako ka balo. Naagi ayang iyang trato. Well, anyway, isa na naman po tayo ng 15 minutos na naman po ang bubunuin po natin sa whatever. So, salamat po habang po ako ay nagtatag dito. Shout out po pala sa mga Array the Ceramics boys na nakikinig. At sa mga rock enthusiasts, just keep on rocking. And sa aking bagong background, sa aking background po ngayon. And syempre, for the last episode, napulipod pala tugtog ko. Istigil mo ang girlfriend ko, babasagin ko pag mukha mo by Smooth Friction. And medyo kagigising lang po, medyo kape-kape po tayo. And salamat po kay Sir Nino Martapia sa appreciation. And to all my buddies there, thank you for support. And by the way, highway, here we go. Sana naman pong 15 minutos naman po ang bubunuin po natin at tuloy-tuloy po tayo, mga kaibigan. So palakpakan ko naman ang hindi. Yeah. So really love podcasting na. Especially, so sa totoo lang, medyo ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon ng salat na pagpa-podcast ko. Ito lang po, nagkaroon po tayo ng for the first time. This is the part 3. Usually, na nagkakaroon po ako always part 2. Dahil sobrang ang hirap po talaga. So meron pa tayo 3 more to go. So dating gawi, huwag natin patagalin pa baka maubos ang oras. So here we go. Let's do this. Sa ating part 3 ng top 10 ang sa stage OPM Rock Bands and Icons. So mayroon pa tayong 3 bars. So the number number 3, Greyhounds ang nagpasimulo ng kubaw. No, just kidding, man. Ang kumanta ng Pig Face, Coro, Shoot to Kill, and some others. So, Greyhound was formed in 1997, if correct me if I'm wrong, and composed of the band member of for vocal, Reg Rubio on vocals, Nino Abenido bass, DJ Brillantes drums, OD Abenido guitars. Actually, itong Greyhounds na to ay was originally formed with the cousins of Nino and OD Abenido. Then, Reg Rubio was on the other band, vocals for the other band. And so their former members, Alan Kusuda on guitar was died on May 6, 2004, and Bieber Castillo was turned ever. So there are the former members of the Greyhounds. So nag-stick na lang po sila sa 4-piece member band. So hindi na sila So ito po sa pinakamalupit. I think this is the co-founder of the Barangay Tibay. So Reg Rubio, he has a powerful vocal cords, talagang growling malapit sa stage. Wala na po tayong ibang pang masasabi ko, rock na rock po itong taong ito. So they are not typically na usually na nakikita nyo sa mga mainstream or on underground. But for me, they just love to doing this stuff as their own passion. And as for Reg Rubio, and as they go old, I think Reg Rubio with a powerful voice. Isa rin po siya sa mga judges po sa mga music laban. And isa pa sa Three Kings, na tinaguriang Three Kings po ng OPM rock band. Nakasama po doon si Ian Tayaw na with the discuss in the part 2 of our recent episode. I think that was yesterday. And so isa po sa pinaka-paborito ko pong kanta nila yung nakalimutan ko na yung title. Yung isang music video nila may tumasayaw na girls. Wala mo, kakalimutan ko na yung title. Pero yung Shoot to Kill, yung I'm Koro, yung isa pa yung correct me if I'm wrong, yung I'm Your Puppet Clown ba yun? Kalimutan ko na. Diyos ko, sabihin niya paka-poster ako. Pero nababahan ko kasi ako eh. Pero ito talaga yung pinaka Shoot to Kill for me. So if you have any suggestion of your favorite songs about the Greyhounds, just leave on comments now. And on stage, sa mga nakakapanood po ng live po ng kanilang stage act, epic, wow. Kailang pong genre was rap metal or new metal, some twist of heavy metal, grunge. So talagang sobrang yung guitar rip po talaga ni Audi Abenido, and yung kanilang drums talaga ni TJ Brillante, so pakalupit. Plus snappy moves talaga ng kanang bass ni Nino Abenido. So wala akong masabi. So hands down, give a lot of applause for them. Well, here we go. Let's proceed to number at number 2. One of our favorites, mapa-mainstream man o underground, ang nagpasimuno ang naghahanap pa rin sa kanyang tsinelas, Kamikaze. Yes, Kamikaze. So way back in mid-90s, Kamikaze was originally, their genre was metal grunge or something. So sobrang kulit po to sa stage, kaya medyo catchy po talaga po to para sa akin, and very comical move talaga, like Jay Contreras. They are composed of Jay Contreras on vocal, lead on guitar, Jomal on guitar also, boards on drums, and what I call this? Ano ba ako na yung panabangay? Okay, Puto Astete on bass. So they are the super comical rock band, especially the bulati moves of Jay Contreras. So on stage, kung napanood nyo yung session nila sa Tower session, talagang sa paborito kong eksena na ginagawa nila on stage, kung bakit napaka-rock talaga to para sa akin, kahit hindi pa sila gaano gumagalaw. Sa akin, angas talaga dahil para sa akin, di yung angas yung napakapakita na talagang wag mawala ka sa stage. Bukod pa dun angas sila dahil at the same time, they are more comical on their craft. If you know what I'm saying, man. And yung Kiss, so nag-shift nila ng genre. They, from the metal thing, they are more soft inside. Yung umakit sila sa mainstream because of Narda. And the first I heard this song, their singing was Chinelas, talaga napaheadbag talaga ako. So unfortunately, the Kamikaze was disbanded on last 2015 or 2016, I guess. I think their last yes. 2015, the Huling Sayaw concert. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that was on Araneta. Yes. Sayang nga lang, nagbakasyon ako sa Pilipinas, doon ko sila napanood Ay nako. Pero hoping na sa mga Kamikaze fans yan, we prayed na sana magbalik sila sa eksena. Well, here we go at number. Let's proceed on number 1. Pero bago po yan, ay recap po na po tayo sa ating top 10 ang sa stage OPM rock band. Sa mga hindi naman, so mga hindi pa po nakakapakinig po sa part 1 and 2 sa ating top 10 ang sa stage, dahil limitado po dahil 15 minutos lamang po to, di ko pa po na-upgrade ang aking podcast, ay maaari lamang po ay mag-download po kayo ng speaker application on Speaker Podcast, or just follow on the site. Hanapin nyo lang Imo Monte ko the Packing Show. Libreng-libre po to. So here we go, let's do this. At number 10, Gayuma. Number 9, Chicosai. 8, Even. 7, Carroy. 6, Razorback. 6, Razorback, yes. 5, Peppa Smith. 4, Ian Tayaw. 3, Greyhounds. 2, Kamikaze. And here is the number 1. Shout out muna po dyan sa mga rock enthusiasts dyan, sa mga armies. The number 1, Slapshot, for the Slap Armies. Yeah. Okay. They are originally from the UP Diliman, composed of they classified their music for the mid-90s, late 90s was on NU or rap metal, and for they classified as the parang the corn of the Philippines sila. So nag-shift sila ng genre a little bit from their rap metal skin, pero at the same time mas lalong naging angas talaga sa stage. So isa sa pinaka-favorite ko yung Runaway, Agent Orange, yung kanilang bagong nila, yung Stronger. Tagang lupit nito. And saka congrats nga pala kay Jamir Garcia for new repowder. So wala naman tayong oras mga kaibigan. So next time na naman po tayo uli.